So it's your girl j.sym back with it, you feel me? And today I have an initial wig review and an unboxing. And guess what? She is synthetic. What? Because I believe the synthetic wigs have made a comeback. Oh, that's my music. Like, what's going on? What's going on? Anyway, so y'all, I'm also going to try film the first part of the TikTok because I obviously can't finish it until I'm going to install the wig. So bear with me because I'm not going to stop recording when I do that. With that said, let's get into it. So if you want to see my initial thoughts on this synthetic wig by Sensationnel with the HD lace, all that stuff, then just keep on watching. This filter is so cute, but I'm not even gonna look like that later, but it's okay. Yeah, I just recently got into TikTok. Just recently, like I haven't even posted nothing, just started recording content, so stay tuned for that. My name is j.sym. I think it's fine. When I told people, they didn't get it, but my name is j.sym, so get money. I liked that. I thought it was pretty clever. And I pretty much need a 10-second countdown because I gotta get ready, prepare everything. Okay, so that's it. That's all for the first part until I take out the box. She is in color 1B. Her name is Emery. She is by
Sensational.
I actually never had a wig from Sensationnel, so this is gonna be really interesting. It's their Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Wet Lace Collection Hairline Illusion Lace Wig, 100% premium fiber. Like, this is the little picture they got. It's pre-plucked and stuff too. Now let me look at the bag. This is what the bag looks like. It's a 13 by 6 frontal, so plenty of parting space. It's Swiss lace. I don't know, sure. Seamless hairline, and natural parting right out of the box. Well crafted from lace from ear to ear with combs, adjustable straps, secure fit, will move pow. Yes, it is pre-plugged, but I'll probably have to plug it just a little bit more. I never plugged a synthetic wig, so I'm gonna be real careful. What else? And it has maintenance instructions. I'm not gonna read that. But you can, okay, so you can apply hair lotion or serum on it. It can, like I said, it can be heated up to 350 and 400 degrees. I actually have a flat iron that's specifically for synthetic wigs. I've had it since I was wearing synthetic wigs, so that's probably what I'm gonna use on it. If you see this thing moving, my cat, she's getting on my nerves. Yeah, natural density. I'm gonna take out the box. I'm gonna have to film another part of the video. So, okay. Girl, stop. I ain't got time to play with you. Just please let me film this right quick. Please. Got the card. That's basically what you saw on the front. This is how it is in the box, like this. It has a net and things over it like usual. Here is the lace. We got this cardboard stuff in here. The hair feels fine. I mean, I can tell that it is synthetic hair, but it feels good. So you wouldn't expect synthetic wig to feel just like a real wig, but it feels very close, very close. And then we got these baby hairs on the front. This is what the lace looks like. It's light brown. Definitely gonna tint that because your girl is chocolate. There's the colors it comes with on the back. It is also on the box. I forgot to tell y'all that. Okay, so we gotta film the second part. Wow. Let me see wow. Okay, so that part, that's what we're gonna film next, the wow. I want to redo that. It's the last clip I gotta film before I install it. Still don't like it, y'all. Okay, one more time. After this one, this is just what it's gonna be. It's not out. So we overheated, but we knew that was gonna happen. But luckily we were done with the TikTok, so let's just finish the rig review. So like I said, the hair, I can tell she's synthetic, but she feels good, like very high quality. I wish my brush was in here, but it's okay. I have this comb. Like I said, this hairline is plucked. I will probably not have to plug it that much more. Like I've said in the video, I'm pretty sure with these plucked hairlines, because we used to have plucked hairline, we used to have a real dent hairline looking like the middle of the wig. So I feel like was still using my same technique from when the wigs were like that, and so I used to over pluck them. So yeah, that's how the lace looks on my skin. Like I said, definitely gonna have to tint it. I'm gonna insert what I use to tint. And then also, the reason I got this wig, baby, because it's Halloween. Not that I have to wear a synthetic wig for Halloween. But I was just like, I wanted a real long synthetic wig for my character I'm going to dress up, which I'm going to tell you in just a second. And then I was just like, you know, these real long 30-inch, even like 26, 24, that type of stuff, they get a little pricey. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, I got this wig off of Amazon. And so Amazon, if you pay with Quad Pay, through Quad Pay, they'll give you a credit card and everything. You just go in there, type it in. It'll just take the money off the credit card every 2 months, every 2 weeks. Sorry, no, not every 2 months. But your girl is going to be Jade, the Bratz doll, but in black. And you might be thinking, sorry, she's down there. She's now sitting inside the wig box, my cat. So wait, she takes over, tries to take over everything. Anyways, you're like, why wouldn't you just be Sasha? Well, originally the plan was going to be to like, I'm trying to make sure this is a synthetic wig too. I have a video with these short synthetic wigs. I just popped this on because I was gonna get on here with my cornrows, but I was just like, okay, let me look a little bit more decent than that. So the thing was going to be a costume. My name's Jada, so you're supposed to choose a costume with the first letter of your name. Now I still didn't know what that wanted to be. My mom actually helped me choose, and she was like, why don't you be Jade? First of all, I loved the Bratz when I was younger. I wanted to be a brat. I thought I was a brat. Yeah, so that really helped me. So that's why I ended up being Jade over Sasha. But it's okay. I'm gonna be dressed up as a Bratz doll. So if I tell people I'm Sasha, they're gonna think I'm Sasha. But I'm gonna tell people I'm Jade just because I got the outfit inspiration from Jade. Back to the wig though. But look at these little waves. I don't know, I guess you would call this body waves. Definitely not loose wave or nothing. So they're really cute. Oh yeah, I had to comb because I was gonna comb through it. Let's run my fingers through it first, see how. I mean, and if she's synthetic, so we're not gonna expect our fingers to run through it like a, you know, a human hair wig. We're not gonna have unrealistic expectations for this synthetic wig, but she's coming through okay. I mean, for her to have been in the box and me not to have combed through her at all, this is fine. I'm not tripping. And y'all, smells like fake hair. I don't really know what else to say about this wig because it's just a synthetic wig review, and I already showed y'all the lace. Oh, the price, it was $60 after tax, probably about, I think almost 65, so it was no more than 65 after tax. I'm pretty positive. But I'm still only paying for it in 4 payments every 2 weeks, because yeah, cool. So yeah, like I said, she's buying.
Sensational.
I cannot wait to get more synthetic wigs, y'all, because I've been on TikTok and those synthetic wigs are looking good. And I was going to install her tonight, but you know, I know myself pretty well. It's not finna happen. It was not finna happen tonight. And it was like, I didn't really think it was a smart idea anyways, because festivities don't start until at least Friday. So if I put this synthetic wig glued down, and I'm going to glue my wig down, I'm getting back into glue. I saw a technique that I think will work for me and my little hairline, so we're gonna try it. So y'all, today's Tuesday. I wasn't gonna even be out until Friday. So I was like, that's just not smart. Being that she's a synthetic wig, I'm gonna have her glued down on my head. By Friday, probably gonna have to do some touching up. Long story short, I just decided we're going to do the install Friday while my friend's working, because I'm going to her house in Nashville. So while she's working, I'm going to be installing my wig and finishing my TikToks or get some more footage for my TikTok. So that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, girl. Shoot. I don't know what else to say about her. I like her. I think I'm gonna be satisfied. But we will see. We shall see. Y'all, I already put the wig up, but I know what I forgot as I was walking out of my studio. A few hairs, some shedding, yes, some shedding, but like I said, synthetic, so not unexpected. It'd be great if it didn't, but not expected. I mean, especially for me to have combed out for the first time. This is not terrible. Of course, we will have to see, like, you know, later on as I wear her a little more, have her on for a whole day or whatever. But I mean, yeah. I'm gonna have to tint the lace. I already said that. Other than that, hold on. Let me give y'all a better visual of the actual hairline. And I also bought like some synthetic like wig stuff. So we do have a little naughty knot right here. Let me comb it. But like I said, if this was a human hair wig and this was happening, I'd be like, oh yeah, nah. But synthetic, you can only expect so much. But my expectations have been met. Like, and I watched a video of this girl where she was wearing her synthetic wig. I could not tell from the video if she glued it down, but it did like it was glued down. But yeah, this is gonna be on my head. I'm glued down. I'm not taking it off. It's just gonna go. I'm probably gonna do a little like few flexi rods in it, and then put up a bonnet. And then if it needs anything in the morning, use a flat iron on it. So yeah, she's so pretty. I'm so excited. I can't wait to dress up. And I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. I think that's probably as good as it's gonna get. An overall image, the best overall image you're gonna get. All right, so that's gonna wrap up this initial review and unboxing of this sensational synthetic wig. I cannot wait to put her on. I hope you check out that video and other videos all over my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that this time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and go check out those other videos on my channel.